How to invite friends to Viber. In this video, I'll show you how to invite your friends to Viber in just a few simple taps. Whether you are new to the app or want to bring more people into your chats, this is how it's done. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Once you are inside the Viber app, tap onto the More icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll a bit down and from the menu select the Invite Friends option. Now pick a contact from your Viber. Now tap on Invite, then copy the link and send it. Once your friend receives the link and install Viber, they will automatically appear in your contact list if their number is saved in your phone. And that's it. That's how easy it is to invite your friends to Viber. The more friends you have on Viber, the more fun and useful it becomes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.